Welcome back, everybody. Well, we're gonna do a little bit more Coleman oven stuff. The old camp oven. We got our Coleman stove out here, and we are gonna get this thing turned on. And here in a little bit, we're gonna cook a little bit of a dump cake, and it's like crushed pineapple with cherry mixed up, then a white cake dumped on top of that, then cake batter, cake mix, whatever you want to call it, dry, and then little pats of butter, and it cooks for I don't know, about a half hour or so, and little pats of butter dry, and or melt, I should say, and we have a dump cake. So let's try this out. All right, we got the stove on here. It's rather breezy, so that might create a little bit of problem, but we'll see. Alright, we'll give it just a few minutes and see how it warms up, and before we try the cake in it today, because we might have to do this tomorrow maybe, I don't know. I'll tell you what, for as windy as it is, this setup right here is really working, man. The flame is going right up into that little nodule up inside the bottom of the stove, and you can already see it's climbing quick. Oh yeah. I believe we're going to have a nice cook on this one. Yeah, I spent just a few minutes and it is already, oh my goodness, it's hot up in there. So yeah, we'll, I think even this wind, with this type of setup, this is going to work. Oh yeah. Yeah, I hear you, bird. Alright, here is the basic ingredients. It's a super moist cake, yellow. We got some cherry pie filling topping and some crushed pineapple. And we're going to get this put together and get it in the old Coleman oven. Alright, this is the cherry and the pineapple stuff being all mixed up. Okay, we got the cake assembled. You see the cake batter and little pats of butter. Now we're going to transport it outside to give it a cook. Okay, we got the cake in there. And we'll get this thing lit up. Alright, stove is lit. Oven is heating up. Our dump cake is inside. The wind has dropped a good bit from earlier in the day. Beautiful day. About 70 Fahrenheit. I might even see the northern lights tonight here. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, you see the temperature already climbing up. Yeah, we're just a couple minutes in. The heat indicator is flat climbing. I don't know how well the camera can pick up the heat coming off of this, but it is amazing. And despite all this wind, this thing is, the temperature is just climbing away. I think this Coleman stove thing here is the best way to use this Coleman oven. We're about 12 minutes into about a 30-minute cook. We're right at 300 degrees, and it's still climbing. We'll know it's done when we open the door up, check it here in a bit, and if the top is browned and the pats of butter have dissolved and everything. You hear the Coleman oven there hissing and popping and everything else. It is hot to the touch. I mean, you can't keep your finger on it. So this method of cooking looks like this is probably the best one yet. We've done it on top of tent stoves, charcoal, the grill, all sorts of different things. Wood, inside of the enclosure here. We've done that a time or two. But I think this has proven to be the most effective. Alright, we're at about the 20-minute mark. Let's take a look in here. Okay, starting to melt. Alright, I put the old welder's blanket around there, and that yet made the temperature go up even more. So we're just somewhere right between 300 and 325. Very pretty spring day. It's not going to be much longer, and it's really going to start getting hot. So this one's seriously big tree here, and the cook continues. It is snizzling in there. You can hear it. Awesome. Let's take a look real quick. Oh yeah. Okay, we're in about the 30-minute mark, and we're still holding just under 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And looks like we got a little bit of a spillover in there, but not a big deal. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, it's hot in there. Alright, we're going to turn this stove off and pull open the oven. It is one like lava in there, man. We do have a slight spillover a little bit on that one corner. I believe the table here wasn't quite even, so we got a little bit of cleanup to do, but we'll let this cool out. But it's like molten lava in there. All right, done with the cook, and we're going to the house now. It's in the house already, the cake is, and coming out of that lava phase, I call it. So, been a beautiful day. Thanks everybody for dropping by, but we'll go take a look at the cake before we sign off. And there is our dump cake, and I transported it in here by way of the oven and the handle, and we'll take that out. I'm gonna have to let this cool down for a little bit because it's like a lava.